So let's start our revision of chapter number system. We are only left with the chapter number system. Already we have done revision of multiplication, division, and addition, subtraction, and we are left with number system. And later on we will do plane shapes, right? So let's start. First sum is, let's start from this by skip counting. You know the meaning of skip counting? We are already done. Skipping means that we have to jump over the numbers. Jump means हमने बीच में छोड़ छोड़ के आगे जाना है, जितना उन्होंने बोला होगा, by 2, by 5, by 100 or by 1000. So let's start counting by fives, right? Right. Next, 4 numerals. Numeral means numbers ही होते हैं. Okay? किसके? 5430. So counting by fives, write next 4 numerals of 5430. Right? So we have to skip 5. Like when we will add 5430 with 5. So yes, ID with Ria. Very good. You have written. Yes, it's right. Right answer, Ria. Others also, firstly do it in your notebooks. After that, you can write done, ma'am, or you can also write answer. Yes, and no one will copy others' answers, right? You will write your own answer. Whether it is right or wrong, you will write your own with your honesty. कोई आपको देख नहीं रहा, लेकिन you should be honest. So, firstly, we will just see by adding 5. हम side पे 5 add कर लेंगे. We are left with 5435. So first one जो है हमें hint मिल गया 5435 means 30 के बाद क्या आता है 35, then 40, right? उसके बाद after 40 what will come? 45, and after 45 there will be 50. Simple. All the time I suggest you to check the last digit. Simply उन्होंने 5 का बोला था. So 30 plus 5 is 35. 35 plus 5 is 40. 40 plus 5 is 45. 45 plus 5 is 50. And the starting digits are same in each and every number. Right? So mostly I have taken example by hundreds, by thousands. So this time I have taken a smaller number example like 5. This is also in our syllabus. आपको ये ना लगे कि हमें 2 या 5 का आया नहीं है, ठीक है? So we will also cover this. So counting by 5, simple. We can also done it by 2s, by 10, by 20. Any counting number, any skip counting number can be there in the exam, right? Simply you just have to add that number which is being asked, right? बस उतने उतने ही ऐड करते जाना. और 100 का और 1000s का तो easy way I have already told you. क्या करते हैं hundreds में? Done? So let's do one more. Number second, counting by hundreds. No, let's do counting by thousands. Thousands. Write next 4 numerals of किसके? 7850. Now what we will do here? We will add 1000 at the thousands place, right? We will add 1000. Simple. There are two methods. 7,850. First method is to add 1000 to this number, or second method is to add 1 at thousands place. Simple. Means या तो thousands place पे जो digit है उस पे 1 को add कर दो, और जो complete number है उसमें 1000 add कर दो. Yes, Vedha, I have seen. Good. Raghav. Yes. Good. So when we will add 1000 to this number, we will get 8,850. Means the thousands place number will change. So पहले आएगा 8,850. Next will be 9,950. Right? 9,850. फिर 9 के बाद क्या आता है? 10,850. Then 11,850. Rest digits will be remain same. We are just changing the thousands place digits. See, 7 के बाद क्या आता है? 8, 9, 10, 11. Just thousands place digit is being changed and rest will be remain same. Okay. If you have any doubt, बच्चे, you can ask me. I will repeat this sum again. So there are two methods. या तो वो जो digit है उसमें 1 1 add करी जाओ, और the complete number जो है उसको हम 1000 में add कर देंगे. Simple. We have two methods. So skip counting is done. So by this way, any skip counting can come by 2, by 5, by 10, by 100, by thousands, like this. Done, bache? Shall we move to next? So we will do 1 1 sum. Okay, no problem. I'm waiting, bache. Yes, Anisha, I'm repeating. It's very simple. Counting by thousands means the number which is being given. जो हमें number दिया हुआ है उसमें हमने 1000 को just add कर देना, फिर उसके आगे आगे counting करते जाना हमने. See, 7,850 में जब हम 1000 add करते हैं हमें मिलता है 8,850. फिर उसमें हम 1000 को add करेंगे 9,850, 10,850, like this. So we are just changing thousands place digit. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. एंड जब 100 आएगा तब हम 100 प्लेस वाला डिजिट चेंज कर देंगे. राइट? डन. ओके, दैट्स गुड. डन. सिमरप्रीत बच्चे, डू इट फास्ट. डन. ओके. आईडी पे जसप्रीत कौर. Video is off. Vibha ma'am, are you not there? So let's do third sum. Next topic. Third. Write 4,059 in expanded form. Expanded form. You know how to expand, right? Expand means we have to write this number by opening it. मतलब simple language में अगर मैं बोलूं कि इसको open करके लिखना है कि ये बना कैसे, according to its place values. ठीक है? Expanded. So 4059 ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So according to this, we have to write an expanded form. I know you can do it. Already we have done this in second class also. 10. Jivesh, that's good. So in this, which place is missing? Hundreds place is missing. So we will write, see, 4,000 means 4,000 plus hundreds place is missing, but we can also write 0, 0, 0 because 100 में 3 digit होते हैं ना. So we can, yes, Astik, very good. Shivang, so we can also write 0, 0, 0. At tens place there is 5, it means 5, 0, 50. And at ones place there will be 9. Or both the answers are right. 4,000 plus 50 plus 9. We can also skip hundreds place. We can also skip hundreds place. Right? So 4,000 plus, we can also write hundreds place by writing 0, 0, 0. This is completely optional. We can write or we cannot write. No problem. Okay? Ma'am, we have convert chapter in this syllabus. Which convert, bache? No conversion is there. In PT1, no conversion is there. Right? So the things which we have already done are only will be in the syllabus. So done, bache. So this is the expanded form. Next is write in short form. Write in short form. So 5,000 plus 300 plus 5. Now you can see which place is missing. I have just written 3 numbers. Which place is missing you can see. So by solving this, what we will get? We have to write in short form. Yes, Dhankor, tens place is missing. Yakshit, wrong. Vedha, right. Sameer, right. Yakshit, you have written 0 at hundreds place, but 300 is there. Dhankor, wrong, bache. You have not added 0. So this is the way you make mistakes. Shivang, wrong. Raghav, Josna, right. Prabhnu, right. Samrit, right. So as you can see, this is the thousands place, right? So पहले मैं ऐसे कर लेती हूँ, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, right? At thousands place there is 5, okay? At hundreds place there is 3. At tens place there is nothing. So we will write 0 at tens place. We cannot skip this. We cannot skip this. Otherwise, it will become, and at ones place, this is 5. अगर हम इस 0 को skip करेंगे, it will become 535. But this is wrong. We are doing with 5,000. Okay? Right? So 5,000 plus 300 plus 5. तो हमने इससे पहले क्या देखा? So we have written firstly place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. At thousands place there is 5. So I have written 5 under thousands column. At hundreds place there is 3. I have written. At tens place there is nothing. कोई zero single zero वाला नहीं है यहाँ पे. Like 50, 60, anything. So I have written 0. And at last is 5. So correct answer is 5,305. So I'm also, A part is this and B part. Again, I'm giving you one sum for more practice. Because there are 4 or 5 students who has written wrong answers. For them, I am writing one sum more. Okay. So it will be your practice sum. 4,000 plus 2,000 plus 30. Now, 4,000 plus 200, sorry. 4,000 plus 200 plus 30. Yes, Seerath Bache, this is number 4. I have written number 4 here. Now write its answer. 4,230. Raghav, Josna, Dhankor, Priyanka, Vaibhav has written answers. Let's see, is this right or wrong? Aspik, Ekveer. I'm waiting just for any different answer. But mostly now the answers are right. Very good. Why? One answer is wrong. Harsirat. Wrong, bache. One answer is wrong just. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. As you can see at thousands place there is 4, right? Piyush, wrong answer. 4,000s at thousands place I have written 4. At hundreds place there is 200, so I am writing here 2. At tens place there is 30, it means 3. And ones place is missing, right? Ones place is missing now. So at ones place what we will write here? 0. So the number is 4,230 because ones place is missing here, but we will write 0 at that place. We cannot skip. Simple. Right? Done. So firstly, skip counting is done, and then we are done with expanded form and short form. So bache, can I move to next? I'm going very slowly. We will continue this chapter tomorrow again, right? So I hope so. You all must have done this. So I'm going to erase. Next is comparison. Compare the numbers. You know what is compare the numbers? In this, we will see which number is bigger, which number is smaller, or are the numbers equal or not. Right? In this, we will see कौन सा number big है या small है या are the numbers are equal or not. See, इसको बोलते हैं compare करना. Like हम family में भी हमारे brother sister होते हैं, हम बोलते हैं ना कि this is my bigger brother, like ये मेरे से बड़ा है, ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, हम compare करते हैं कि वो big है, मैं small हूँ उससे, means we are being compared, हमें compare किया जा रहा है. So comparing is, first is 3,515 dash 3,151. So we will just see which number is bigger, okay? And I have already told you, I have given example of crocodile कि एक crocodile है, hungry crocodile, and the crocodile will eat the number which is bigger. And obviously जब वो eat करेगा, he will open his mouth. And open करेगा mouth ऐसे, not ऐसे, like this. So the number which is bigger, right? उस side के हम अपने sign का mouth open कर देंगे. So which one is bigger? What you have written? Yes, very good. So 3,515 is bigger. So how you came to know? Simple. Firstly, we will compare first digit. There is 3, there is 3. These are equal. So we will move to the next digit. It is 5. So 3, 5 become 35. 3, 1 become 31. So no need to see the complete number, the 4-digit number. We will just take the starting 2 digits. Okay? So this is 35. This is 31. So easily ये तो हम बता सकते हैं ना, is 35 is bigger or 31? Obviously 35 is bigger. So the number which is bigger, we will keep our sign's mouth open towards that side like this. Okay? Simple way में मैंने आपको बताया है. So 35 and 31 में से which is bigger? 35. Right? Next is B part. You will not underline these numbers like this. I am just doing for your understanding. Next is $5,001, 5,100. Now, which number is bigger? Yes, very good. Easily you can recognize which number is bigger or which sign will come. Yes. Yes, Yakshit, Raj, Kaval, Navya, Simarpreet. That's good. So no one is giving me wrong answer. Very good. So as you can see, firstly we will compare first digit. 5, 5. These are equal. Okay? We will move to the next digit. 5, 0 become 50 and 5, 1 become 51. So obviously आगे वाले digit तक तो हम पहुंचेंगे ही नहीं. We will see which is bigger. 50 is bigger, 51 is bigger. 51 is bigger. So we will keep our signs mouth open towards 5100. राइट तो हम इस साइड अपने जो साइन का फेस है हम उसे ओपन कर देंगे सो 51 इज बिगर इट मींस 5100 इज बिगर मैम व्हाट यू राइट बिफोर दिस इससे पहले हमने क्या किया समरीत सो वी हैव डन सिमरप्रीत नो समरीत so we have done which expanded form short form skip counting so if you are not if you were not there in the meeting so you can watch the video and I will share in the group right if you have skipped something so C part is this will be very easy for you so easily you can see any number is bigger than the other same yes equals to sign will be there same obviously easily we can see कि दोनों numbers जो हैं वो क्या है same both are same so D part is and last is now so I am just playing with the numbers हम मैं just digits को इधर उधर ही कर रही हूँ और कुछ नहीं कर रही just to make you confuse and to see who is more attentive आपको कैसे पता चलता है so which is bigger yes good I'm getting answers so all the answers are right 4010 yes very good so how we came to know that this is greater C in the starting 4 matching 4040 4040 matching but 4040 तो matching हो गया लेकिन अगर हम आगे देखें this is 10 this is 01 40 के बाद क्योंकि 4040 is same फिर हम उसके आगे जाएंगे ना so here is 1 here is 0 1 0 is 10 0 1 is 1 so this is bigger yes very good so no one has given me wrong answer so let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes until then you mark your attendance ma'am please so we have completed 5 sums id with mannat bachche sit properly id with mannat third pink likha hua aapne yes sit properly so mark your attendance and come back fast we will do one more sum and after that I will listen table of 16 and 17 both
Ma'am, Gurjot is not there.
ID with Gurjot बच्चे
Ma'am, there is no child with the name Gurjot or maybe is not visible to me.
in the starting of the meeting he was there no problem ma'am please unmute Harsh Yes, Harsh. Speak table of
Good
17.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good afternoon. Table of 17 बच्चे. Quickly.
17 0 the 0, 17 1 the 17, 17 2 the 34, 17 3 the 51, 17 4 the 68, 17 5 the 85, 17 6 the 102, 17 7 7 the 119, 17 8 the 136, 17 9 the 153, 17 10 the 170.
Very good. So you have learned very nicely, Harsh. That's good. Now mute yourself. Ma'am, please mute yourself. Next is Prabnoor Arora or Prabnoor Kaur. Let me see. Prabnoor Arora.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, bache. You will speak table of 16.
Okay, 16 1 the 16, 16 2 the 36, 16 2, 16 3 the 3 the
48.
16 3 the 48, 16 16 4 the 64, 16 5 the 80, 16 6 the 96, 16 16
In 7 za.
96, 16 7 the 112, 16 8 the 128, 16 9 the 144, 16 10 the 160.
Yes, good. Mute yourself. Next is Navya Sachdeva. Wait, bache. Yes, now try. Who is unmuted? Navya, you are not unmuted. You are on mute. Yes, Navya.
Ma'am, 17 or 16?
17.
17 0 the 0, 17 1 the 70, 17 2 the 34, 73 the 51, 17 4 the 68, 17 5 the 85, 17 6 the 102, 17 8,
17
17 8 the
7 za, bache.
17 8 the
17 7 za. You have skipped 17 7.
17 7 the 120, 17
Wrong,
8
wrong,
the
wrong.
136.
Wrong. 17 7 za 119. Not 120.
Okay, ma'am. 17 8 the 136.
Yes.
17 9 the 153.
Yes.
17 10 the 170.
Yes. So you need more practice, bache. Do it nicely. Next is
Okay, ma'am.
Harshit Varmani. Wait. So now you can try. Wait, bache. Yes. Speak, bache. Table of 16.
16 1 the 16, 16 2 the 32, 16 3 the 48, 16 4 the 64, 16 5 the 80, 16
Why are you
6
laughing?
the 96, 16 8 the 9 the 128, 16 10 the 136, 16 9 the 144, 16 10 the 1.
बच्चे आप बीच में बोले मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आया. आपने मुंह पे हाथ रख के बोल रहा है. Okay, randomly ऐसे बताओ 16. Okay, now you are muted. Okay, so last is Wait. ID with Neha Gupta. Quickly. We are left with 1 minute and you have to complete within 1 minute. And you will speak table of 17. Yes.
17 ones are 17. 17
Speak louder, bache.
17 ones are 17. 17 twos are 34. 17 threes are 51. 17 fours are 68. 17 fives are 6. 17 fives are 85. 17 sixes are 102. 17 sevens are 119. 17 eights are 136. 17 nines are
Yes.
153. 17 tens are 170.
Yes, very good. So you have learned nicely. That's good. So now mute yourself. So this was all for today's class. Tomorrow again, same way we will follow, right? Firstly, we will do sums of number system. And after that, again, table of 16 and 17. Until then, now you all can leave, complete your work of the assignments, right? In your notebooks. So have a nice day. We will meet tomorrow. Ma'am, please end the meeting.